Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lonnie Star here. I'm back on another video for you guys. As you read by today's title, I will be preparing for my vacation trip. I'm going to Mexico for Christmas, and I've never been out of state for the holidays, let alone out of the country, so this should be fun. But first things first, I'm gonna do my hair. I'm doing my own hair. Once again, I'm gonna be doing island twists since we're gonna be on the islands. And yeah, today is Friday. Right now it's 8:30, and right now I'm just gonna part my hair. We don't leave for the trip till next Friday, next Saturday, so I have a week. So I have some days to spare. I'm not so much in a rush, but I'm gonna part my hair tonight, and depending on how I feel, I will start, the actual twisting. But yeah, it's 8:30, so let's see how long this is going to take me.
I just wanna take you there. You don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips, and I'ma love you, girl, the way you need. Ain't no one gon' stop us. Ain't no one gon' stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the drug in your veins. Just fight through the pain. It's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want.
Hey y'all, so it's actually been 2 days since y'all last saw me, but I only have this front to do, and this is what we're looking like so far. Here's the back. Oh, the back looks decent. Honestly, it's none of my concern. I'm really just concerned about the front. So let's hope I finish by tonight, not too late, not past midnight. I only have this much to do, and it's almost 8 o'clock, so let's hope I finish by 10. Let's hope.
I'm what you need, what you need, what you need. He's what you want, he's what you want, he's what you want, he's what you want. I'm what you need, I'm what you need, I got everything you want with me. I do everything he does times 3. And he don't gotta know. I got you on the floor, doing things you never thought you'd do. Maybe leave the high heel shoes, 'cause never when you're looking better me. I'm looking up at you, and I don't give a damn. Shawty, watch me knock your boots off, and I'ma love you, girl, who you need. And no one will stop us. Ain't no one gon' stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the drug in your veins. Just fight through the pain. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. I'm what you need. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. I'm what you need. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey y'all, so it's actually the next day, and I finished my hair. I curled the ends, of course, and I am obsessed. Like, this hair looks so pretty and the color is so pretty. It's definitely giving beach vacation vibes. Like, yes. And you're probably wondering why I'm all dressed up. I actually went to my sister's school basketball game. Like, you know, I haven't gotten cute in a while. I haven't put on makeup in a while. So I was like, let me get cute. I mean, I just got my hair done. But y'all, I'm telling y'all, learning how to do your own hair is literally a blessing. Like, I did this myself. Yeah, it may took like 3 days. I mean, really, it could have been 2, but I was in a rush. But I did this myself. Like, oh my God. And like, sometimes, yeah, I would pay someone else to do it because, you know, sometimes I don't want to always be doing it. But I know that I can do it. Like, I still got it. Like, Wednesday, I'm gonna go get a pedicure, and then Thursday, I'm gonna get my nails done and my eyebrows waxed and do some packing, and then we gonna get out the country and everything. I'm so excited.
You should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it, love it. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, baby. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. We could get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? I want what you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah. Yeah, boy, I want what you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah. Come on, rude boy, can you get it up? Come on, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah. Take it, love it. Come on, rude boy, can you get it up? Come on, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah. Take it, love it. Would you believe me? Said I'm in love, baby. Want me? Would you believe me? Said I'm in love, crazy. I like the way you touch me there.
Okay, y'all, so right now it's like 7 o'clock and it's Thursday. I got my nails done, got my eyebrows done. Now I'm gonna start packing. This is the suitcase I'm going to be bringing, and of course I'm gonna have like my carry-on backpack and stuff. This is the cube that I'm gonna put all my clothes in. I'm gonna bring this green dress. I wanted to wear it to Jamaica, but I'm gonna wear this now. I'm gonna bring these gold heels and then the black heels. I'm gonna bring this black cover up. I do have this one bathing suit and cover up that I got from Fashion Nova, and then probably this bathing suit and just call it a day. I don't really have cute bathing suits. I don't really care either. I'm gonna bring this black tube top dress. I'm gonna bring this flower maxi skirt and this bodysuit to go with the skirt. And then I'm gonna bring this like green dress. I think we're gonna have like a little Christmas dinner, so this is like my green dress that I won't wear for the dinners. Okay, now for some daytime outfits. I'm gonna be bringing this baby pink shirt. I think this is like summery, and it's gonna go with these jeans. Then I'm gonna bring this black tank top and these yoga pants if we ever go to like any excursions. I think we will, but any just active stuff, this is gonna be the outfit for that day. I will be bringing this light pink jacket with some leggings, 2 pairs of pajamas that I'm gonna bring. I feel like I should bring another pair of shorts, so just in case if it's actually harder than I think it is, then I'm gonna bring another pair of shorts. These are the shorts I'm gonna bring.
perfume. I thought I was immune. Looking around this room, can't help but see the traces of you. This moment is surreal. I can't put into words how I feel. Where have you been? Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody gon' love me quite like you. Can't even deny it. Every time I try it, one look in my eyes, you know I'm lying, lying, lying to lie. Skin to skin, I'm never gonna love like this again.
Let's see if this can close. Oh lordy. Uh-oh. Something fell. Oh, okay. These are the shoes I'm gonna be bringing. This for the excursion and this for daytime fits. So that is it for this maintenance prep video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I have to go to sleep. It's like 11:20 and I have to wake up at 4:30 so we can leave for the airport. So I had a long day too. I was like out hanging with my friends and now I just took a shower and I shaved and I was packing up some last minute things. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.